Yesterday, Attorney General Alberto Gonzales was in the Senate Judiciary Committee being questioned on exactly what happened to stop a Department of Justice investigation into the illegal National Security Agency wiretapping of Americans' telephones, where President Bush ordered the National Security Agency to listen in on Americans' private conversations and to read their emails without ever getting a search warrant, although the United States Constitution and American law specifically calls for search warrants to be gained in such circumstances. Well, as the Attorney General was sitting there in front of this committee, he was asked over and over again who it was that actually denied those security clearances, and finally he was forced to admit it was the President of the United States, George W. Bush himself, who refused to give those security clearances. Now, why is it that George W. Bush refused to allow this investigation to continue? Well, Tony Snow, the press secretary, gave the official explanation that it just wasn't necessary, according to George W. Bush's expert opinion. Wasn't necessary. Well, according to some senators, this is an illegal program. Senators like Russ Feingold from Wisconsin actually say that President Bush was breaking the law. Don't we deserve to have an investigation? And doesn't the Congress, as a co-equal branch of government, have the right to ask questions about whether the President of the United States was breaking the law? You choose. Whether you're going to side with the Republicans who say that the President gets to decide when the law is unnecessary, or whether you will stand with Democrats like Russ Feingold, who declared that the great American tradition still stands, that nobody, not even the President of the United States, is above the law.